Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to print these nice linen glasses cases. I think all the desktop users understand that linen has been in the market for more than 5 years, and for this linen material, we combine with linen and neoprene. So the reason to combine this material is that first, you always get nice natural linen finished products, while with neoprene, it can protect the products very well, like these glasses. Okay, and based on this material, we have full series of products that like the glass cases, and you can easily to hang it on your bag or put it in your bag. Very nice. Okay, and the full printed, and also this wine tote bag, lunch bag, and laptop case. So if you want to know better about the full line of our linen neoprene products, just contact us. Okay, let's focus on today's. Let me show you how to print these linen glass cases. You may wonder how we can do this full printing, right? Okay, let me show you. Firstly, we got the printed paper ready, and a blank linen glasses case, heat-resistant tape, and of course, very important, our glove to protect you from heating. Okay, first step is that you need to zip this, get this open, and then you will have a nice flat, because the neoprene material is thick, right? And it has heat-resistant kinds of sponge inside, so it's very flexible, you see. So when we print, if we use high pressure, that will be no problem, okay? So do not need to do any preheating. Just put the printed paper onto the blanks, okay? Make sure that your design will be a little bit bigger than the printing area. You can see we have a black border, so make sure you located the design, the blanks onto the design, and use heat-resistant tape. So before you locate it, you need to make sure the direction is right. So how you make sure the direction is right? Then you take it out and look at like this. So you see my direction is right. Okay, and put it. Make sure the blanks is located in the center of the design, and use heat-resistant tape to tape it. You will need at least 4 tapes. So use your hand to hold it, and use heat-resistant tape to tape the 4 corners. 4 corners, okay? Make sure the design will be a little bit bigger. So we have templates ready actually. If you need it, you can contact our sales. Okay, now it's ready. You see, it's still a kind of folded, but doesn't matter because the heat resistant, the heat pattern, the heat press, it has pressure. Okay, it needs to be used very high pressure. So before I go to print, I need to adjust the pressure a little bit. So for print all the linen materials, the temperature we need is 215 degrees Celsius, and the time for the glass is 45 seconds. So all the linen materials, we need 215 degrees Celsius and 45 minutes. Okay, now it's ready to go. So we put it into the center and close the machine. Very high pressure. Okay, today we'll use 5. Actually, you can add it until 7 or 8. But I think it should work. So medium to high pressure would work. Okay, let's wait. Now the time is up, and let's see. Okay, see, there is a lot of smoke. It's because moisture. Okay, for all the fabric products during printing, it will have moisture. And use your heat resistant, and you can see the printing result is quite good. And it's easy to tear off, right? Okay, see? So full printing will be no problem, and we suggested you to use this kind of design. Means that not the colorful background, but the clear for background. then you will still have these nice natural linen feelings. Okay, and hope today's video helps you understand better about how to do the full print of these nice linen glasses cases, and hope you have more idea of how to get yourself a personalized glass cases. Okay, and if you have any suggestions or opinions, please do not hesitate to leave the message under below. And thank you for watching.